Good morning, 10 o'clock, it don't reach for side from Moselele. 10 o'clock, it don't happen too for that side where they call them for Ntaba. 10 o'clock, it don't land for side where they call them from Kolnoni. And 10 o'clock, it don't happen for that side from Manfe. What is the main news country people them if you should don't quiet you go hear and then see them because for LTM, when we talk them, we show them as camera too, you don't see them. For Cameroon, we ask question and answer not the come out. And we not go tire for the ask the question. We the ask and whether they say for Cameroon, work for mayor, Naweti. Work for parliamentarian, Naweti. And work for councillor, Naweti. Work for senator, Naweti, because some of we don't know what way these people then they get for work. Some people and they don't see parliamentarian for their own side. Some people they don't know mayor where he control them and where he get for bring development for the zone. Some they don't know councillor for their own village. Some they don't ever see their senator. Now why would they ask the question whether it is so? Senator you work now wait so that me would know. Mayor you work now wait so that me would know. Parliamentarian, you all work where you get for work, now wait so that me will know. Councillor, you get for do now wait so that me will know. Because we don't confuse for Cameroon. Small time, any man is going to fix road for go for your own village because he don't bat. What is the main news for inside Cameroon? Chapter for rain inside Yaoundé, when the capital for Cameroon. Rain way before for inside Cameroon, it not be easy. People that use na canoe, 12 people them they enter na inside Molonga for swim. It not make good image for this nation. Me, we try we for make even a community work if budget don't short. Now we go enter the strong number. We strong number for today, chapter 1 na Palava the rain, where it fall for inside Yaoundé, where the capital for Cameroon, for place where they call say Voirie Municipal. Moto them they transform for turn na flying boat, so moto them they turn na canoe for swim and then cross. Now when we ask whether they so city mayor, you know the CM, mayors them and parliamentarian plus the senator, they know the see how this place is there. How much they need them for say me the open got a hole for this place so that when red it won't fall, it could follow your route. Another strong number now wait where we happen for inside Yaoundé from van plus where agency them they ever turn up for load passenger. This one now passenger the way we get for take this Musango motor for go for side for Limbe. Some they will go Kumba, some they go for side for Boya, some they go Tico. They pay ticket for 6 a.m. for morning time. When they get for travel for 9, they last come out for agency. Now with the fight. And they send me the bank money. Person where they take their money for ticket, he say no one day. So, confusion if they for site for Mvan inside Yaoundé. Runway in fall for site for Ntaba under new subdivision. He make am wrote in the Kelen. Camion way carry plan for reach with them for side for Babosam, it last go any journey in for side where they call them for Ntaba and a block small motor them for go reach for side for Magba. Send story for sharp morning time, it tell we say what. Send story it talk say. Now story be over sweet for inside house where we make tiv man a laugh for banda. Now, over sweet story, it be make am before they know say thief man it be there for banda because he laugh. Person we send for we now my glory burunyu. My glory burunyu is send for we for side for Oko and for quarter where they can say jiggy gem. Now for the way send story a come out today. And Pastor Avril is supporter for that side for NJANGI division. Now for side for Southwest Cameroon. Now we want come back. Me ya I it only for television because mop it get for talk and then here it ye on na year with the come back. With the social town, those where they try way for share their Facebook link, say me when I continue the share because no na outside for Cameroon we light a day. So 2 time 10 o'clock it don't reach. They pay some people them. I don't want to call their name. But first people where they pay them now people them for cablage. So that me then cut their program me when I not see them. Now why that way we the talk say we the insist me when I follow we for we Facebook page. Where the Facebook page is named na General MOKO NJANGI House LTM. General MOKO NJANGI House LTM. You follow we for it. Make sure say you like the link and then make sure say you share them. Make sure say you make comment. Country people, yes, me will follow on the last side now because it's not easy. When something it come with power, they try all way for say me last cool and we it not be normal. We get for no way to way the pass for Cameroon and we till we spoil we make a fine. Now, me we enter now for inside the chapter. Chapter 1. Now, palava rain we don't fall for inside Yaoundé. It make some people them they decide go sleep for Obej. Meanwhile, someone them they don't sleep now for inside hotel. Inside Yaoundé when a capital of the country. Me when I look at the town today. They call this place Voirie Municipal. Now inside Yaoundé. Why motor they don't turn na flying boat? Other motor they don't turn na canoe. For take carry passenger across. Now even we dey ask question where we don't ask whether parliamentarian for country ye own work na weti. Mayor ye own work na weti. City mayor ye own work na weti and councillor ye own work na weti. So that mean we know because even senator they say this so ye says a role for play for inside chapter for development. This thing don't pass urban. Because the first government delegate will be there for inside Yaoundé. He be the worker with coffin. Say this so he get for open the time clean. And he has opened the time clean as would I see up. So now inside Yaoundé when I see up. Yes. So we the talk say this so anywhere we there now for LTM you see them all. You will see them all country people. Man get the move shoe before he cross. See the way where some people they make spot that farmer go cross. Farmer not go cross. They not recall this program for now because when you call now, let me say you don't disturb the program. Country man, yes. So now man now correspondent for LTM we dey for Ntaba, we they try for call. We don't know whether now which problem they for that side, but they not recall for now. Now when I see how the town a day. It not be normal at all. It not be normal at all. Me when I look up. Now some motor go for the swim inside water. It not be normal. It not be normal. So with the best city mayor and the parliamentarian, the senators, me when I try for find solution for this place. So that next year we not come back again with this report for this place. So for inside when a capital for country, we could go now for side from Van. Van a place where all agency them that they ever turn up for load passenger. Musango everyone see fire for Saturday. What happened? They say they so those people go for attend their family meeting, and when they go for attend to village meeting, and then NJANGI for side for Motengene, Limbe, Boya, Tiko, Komba. And even for Moyoka, they last go for that side now for night. And when they begin for be for that side for 3 o'clock, but Monto where they be talking so you get for command now for 9 a.m. A last command now for 3 p.m. All passengers when they don't pay their ticket, they say they so they need the money back. Me they go for different agency. Those when they go the agency, they won't give the money back. They say ngang moto they come. They went 9 o'clock can pass, 10 can pass, 11 can pass, 12 pass, 1 pass, 2 pass. Now 3 o'clock where they see their motor where they get for inside. I say it bring problem. So they nearly forgot knock woman when I be the court ticket. Because any man want go satisfy you on a job. Any man want go satisfy you on family. Satisfy person where you get for chom NJANGI. Well, this Makombi Musango. Asha, I say 5 way be take place for that site. If to remind not be pass for talk say no, Camus. Sometimes when I last year say this, so they don't beat person. But the last year, talk way to remind he talk am say me the liver and the liver. Me we answer for this countryman why you the overvex and wait it don't happen. Me we yet when you talk. Oh yeah.
Why you the vex and wait till the go on?
And if I want down at the overvex, I come up here at the go meeting for Limbe. Them say Musango want to make more do now with them. Would they come out? They can pay ticket. We pay ticket after the worker suffer, spend money, do the one, go up, can down. All the one are waiting. It means waiting. It means waiting. I did for 6 morning time. They tell me they will send we bus for 4 o'clock. We only take money. When I take money, we not get bus. Why we only take though? Me I know they will that thing. They don't vex, and I still vex to them. Wait correct.
Wait the manager tell now.
Wait the manager tell now.
Manager tell me say 4 o'clock. Say they will send bus from Oya. Me can't take it.
When I Asha, but when I don't last go, no. I don't last go. So when you get motorway, now you where you take all time. When Sunday, we get small problem, you get for understand. Yes. So the woman tell we say no. Now because say the person yeah them they no want persevere. Yes, and they no be want persevere true. When we get for wait. Countryman. Yes. NJANGI money the so give at any time. So and we back to the agency say when I take money for person say motor day around. Me will not make sure say me the motor come. Me we gonna have a side for Bonaberi for Rai. Population for Rai they so cry. Population for Rai they so cry say they so they know they understand the mayor for side for Bonaberi. Mayor where they should have a side where they come and say for Bonasama. Population for that side for Rai they don't vex. And the vex again say they so you know the worker. Road where they come out for pass again going for side where they come and say abattoir. Now in that, I say that in that, me all we will see. This kind of thing, business people and they say all over corner. You ain't come buy all the entire nose. Man where they sell, sometimes we could last go to the hospital, man you know. Yes. So then they toss it so and cancel the pass where they can collect the ticket. Now so picking into the play, put the hand over ground after they go take chop, then chop. Some more time you say this so Papa he get for spend the 20,000 for clinic or for hospital. All this dirty outside for Cabron, that me say company where if we tell we say this so now you get for the clean the town, it don't tire. They don't rise every man not to wear dirty for year, but now for the way dirty flop. And there was one that said the population too. I don't know whether they never sensitize them. When one come, you see dustbin. For take dirty, go to run for inside dustbin, it take am to run for ground, for corner dustbin. And this dirty don't make this man will get this place for Mimbo, bad market. Because man, if the cash you don't for inside bar, for take one shack, only the cement where they come out, it drive you from the place. So the man to the back said so, me council come, even never pay. Or company will get for carry dirty, even never pay, they go pay them, me they move dirty for do much for a business place. It not look good. And some more time for campaign, they go so come again say, when I vote we, all things go change. And population too, as they overlay Mimbo and rice and bread and sardine, they go so take them and then vote them again after they complain. Well, when they complain, when I go complain for council. When I go complain for the person where we come make campaign, I put you. Me man know they complain again for Tory man. My own work is different. I know they work for council. I know they work for council. So when go to the outside, when I go meet up mayor or parliamentarian. I know one cash man again say, General MOKO, we can't die here for Sika Dotty. No. I know they again with that when I nonsense say Dotty again. When I like bread, when I don't chop the bread for how long? When I like beer, when I don't drink the beer for how long? Only they give complaint now. No, so they be tell we say no. When we go vote them, now so they go work. They work the work. No. So for side for right, for Komogori, for side for abattoir. When we throw them, they fix them, we come back how it will start. Now so we be sure. Road for Komogori, right, Bonaberi going for abattoir, slaughterhouse, for play where they slaughter cow. Where they come and say abattoir. There would be some kind of way, all man they complain, Okada man they complain, taxi they complain, camion man they complain. Say they sold that road it over spoiled tire. When you are person or your woman they will belay, when you go for the week for born a good reach, that means you go for go pay a hotel for ride. So that means no enter for inside this kind of gutter hold. Now so pot hold and day. And there was one that said some place they were it they say na lake. And the day again say sometime na a swimming pool. Or a day again they say na fish pond where they get for go lay fish for day. Look road. And been there people that when they say plan. They so there for they say no. My brother council is not the live we. Council not the live winner. Why when I so pay? And we customer the fear for car because of the road problem. When I so pay. When I know we get set for the pay again. Because now in this one na fish pond or na lake. Oh na swimming pool. All motor them when they go down, when they get for enter for inside that swimming pool, they the inside pass down the other side, opposite side. Where not be normal. Where it not be normal at all. Now so it pass. Tell me to the man, he don't show him. When I not what happen, me we go for follow up go see him. When I look the place fine. Now tell me what to the man not turn back again for day. When I see that place now, we don't show now. Yes. Tell me we don't show him. Now place where let me. They don't come now. Population the glass they so they bring a gravel. Or they want can tie their road. They carry a big ground, carry ground, can't dormant for that place. Flop the place. Now what the turn up again. Now they place that. Yes, but this side they never flop this one. All the complain. Say no, what would they expect na kunta? Say they nobody expect na say me then carry na ground, can't run. Because more time, when rain go fall, you see how now here we leg be day. They don't come flop them. They don't come flop them. That means say we say self, we don't try we our best. Now here we big leg be day no. They don't come flop them. Make and the way Watano could turn up again for that place. That means saying a good work we they don't do them for that side. Maybe we answer for this countryman. Countryman, you when you send meat for site for abattoir. This road it is so when I be expect na waiting from the council. When I hear we go talk.
Be your name?
My name is Umaru.
Yes.
I work for Douala for abattoir. So we try for here. We do the time only hard. We don't know how we go do because the route they don't send we caterpillar. Thing they don't come. We know we don't say they don't come for throwing a good drum fish route. After they don't come cover us to hold them. All side na only mud from the one way you are reach for some place. The push machine na push them. The worker will push set the 4 na 4. So we expect we on the drum for the route. They will don't come meet up na only mud all side. So we don't know how we go do. So we talk for people. They mean they try look up. They try look for inside the matter. One na good drum for the route. Because you reach for abattoir, they say chop me, they no fit chop am. They say na me. Plenty people they can't run because of dirty place. The cement all side. So with the prayer God say me they try fix and me they arrange the place. Because the place so people they come for buy me they run around say the cement. So we don't know how for do. With the beg government me they look out for the issue. We try people just they all things just they. So I beg me they try fix them. People then they can't be happy for can't chop meat for abattoir. So that move gets more market. So we pray for people then me they try helping for that one.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, please this.
Yes.
All midday, all Kawan. I'll choose one before I go back, Moko.
I for LTM, they take money. Yes, they take money. Don't toss it this, so you get for chop soya before it goes highway to go. Yes, it be normal. It be normal. Live and countryman. Taxi men never outside for Limbe. They don't still vex, say this so. Council police, it over harass them for that site. Police is the same work. They don't talk this so they don't have price for taxi. For daytime 350. For night 400. But they say the people in for Limbe, they never understand, say they don't have price. And man want take taxi. Bro, again now 200. Again now 150. Again now 100. And plenty checkpoint them they flow for inside Limbe. Now anyway, taxi men them they don't go meet up. Their power now chef there. Deal for Limbe 1 for semi then talk again na number 2nd meeting. I for LTM it did live for that side for Limbe. Countryman, what did it take place for that site for those office for Limbe 1? Me we yet when they talk.
Yes, country people, good morning. I request for everybody as they watch me now live. Today, na other day way that people for inside Limbe, they don't decide to the one go general meeting for talk which way they worry them for inside that sector. As we talk now, so we dey in front the office for Zero for Limbe 1. Drivers they get so many worries. They don't decide to the one catch up. And the general meeting it is called up by all the 5 syndicates away they did for inside Limbe. Person where Naidi head all the syndicates. The regional president was on one syndicate before I say siege camp when Naidi am necessary for saying the done for top which way the deception. So as we talk now, so in some few minutes when I go hear which way the worry their belly. One, they will be talk concerning the fare for taxi we don't add. If it add because it add petrol. So tariff it don't be where some of the get for buy them for make sure say they hold the taxi fare tight. And so all that thing will be worried inside that domain country. So anytime from now, when I go hear how some of the talk with the mistake them. So now stay tuned and I go hear them. Thank you very much.
As you when I president, when I don't sell passes plenty more than way. Eventually, when you buy pass, you must work. You never buy pass to go for metro, you know work. You must work. So my hope is next subsequently another meeting on a committee like this, on a sell only 10 to 15 passes. So that we get more drivers for the meeting. When I say 20, 50 passes, they must buy all and they must work to no cover meeting.
What the deal gave me yesterday during concerning this meeting is peace and serenity. And you people have proven that you are mature. I like the way you people handle the meeting, the tranquility, the contributions, and the rest. So continue in that vein, because what you are doing is for the betterment of this town. It's not only for the well-being of the member of their family. First of all, it's for the Limbe municipality as a whole.
They don't talk. Now tomorrow we could bring what way they drive at them, they don't really talk. And where to be their problem and where to where they need them. So tomorrow with the promise when I say that one we will put them now tomorrow. Now me we take when I now go with them for side for Manfe. Where this mayor from Manfe Council, Robinson, Tabenchong Ashu, he did fight all way for bring peace. And he walk by them. Me will go see him. This one na Labor Cup. Na cup where they don't put them against Labor Day. So na Okada people them. They begin number with the military, gendarme, and a police for that side. And this one now for bring the population where they stay there for bush, me then come back for town because Manfe it don't go now before with the peace. Now first deputy mayor that for site for Manfe Council. And now he said he could come king the number. Same in the competition, it go before. And the competition, they don't divide that into two polls. Poll 1 and poll 2. That means say poll A and poll B. And now 5 team a day. So the number. After Okada people then say they so me when I not check say now on top Okada. Where will the end with life? Say then say they be don't number time where they will be na school picking them. Nathan Rax. So deputy mayor, he says he don't go kick ball. He people then when they work with you for council, they don't come. And the SDO for side for Manu, he says they don't send them for that side for go bring peace. And now the peace where it don't start the camp, as mayor, it don't bring first part, second part, third part. Then SDO don't take camp for bring number 4 part for the peace. So now for municipal stadium for site for Manfe, where the number it take place. All man for that side is glad. Say this so. Team where if you bring peace for inside village, inside town, inside division, inside region, and inside country na only number. Na only ball. So they overtime this mayor for team where they do one with the population for side for Manfe. So number be played by last. Okada people them they be slap this administrative them for that side for some kind way. Slap them 4 goals to 1. Never know easy. Where the show said there's Okada people that or they on top Okada all time bet number day for foot. So match if it has end now 4-1. Yes, that means the Okada people them they don't get that 3 points. So they wait now for next second match and wait go easy. Where the mayor he says the talk say this so he get for B for grand standard day for Siam. Match it don't finish. So they glad and they time to the deal for that side where they do fine work and they chief them for that side where they say the day for Palava the peace and the prophet and the pastor them for side for Manu. So now so it will happen. Me we answer for this countryman. Countryman, you say you dey put hand for God for who you hate, but I hear we will talk.
I say the hand of God make it be for the mayor for Manfe Central. The hand of God make it be for Papa SDO. The hand of God make it be for our defense forces and the population. This football tournament where it take place now, where the first deputy mayor don't take kick off. It shows say military and civilian are one. You don't see how a civilian population it is support more of the military team. Where it shows say military and civilian are one. When we get Bakassi crisis, we contribute money, we support military. Military bring we victory. There is no man family where military not there. We be connected by marriage. We go to the same church. We buy from the same market. We play for the same football field. What did happen here today? So what did happen here today? Now a strong confidence building measure. Population don't talk as if man don't play where he goes, he will not play where he come out. They don't go back to say their security, their safety, their well-being. It be for hand for civilians. They will live together. And at the back same at picking them and junior brother where they never bush. Una lay down our weapons, come back home. Una friends where they don't surrender, nothing about do them. We don't want to make una die. And we don't want
This competition first na Labor Day Cup this where our Lord Mayor, Mr. Robert Sintabedon Ashu, we put am to play because he want to show the whole Manfe, say Manfe dey in peace now and all we dey united. So we say football na joy, Tamba na joy, they bring peace. But don't be peaceful now. So this boy, I was first so we dey in peace for Manfe here. And nobody cup we made put am every 3rd term they put cup there. So you don't do Manfe, you don't do plenty other things there. Like we don't hear how we don't join boy them. In fact, that boy they don't catch amber them, they don't kill amber them, they don't amber them. Also the hard work for me for Manfe here. So the thank you for the peace we the Manfe and the ball another step again for social Manfe day in peace.
Le côté de gauche à droite.
So now so it take happen for that side. Now we come on now we reach for play where they call and say for Ntaba. Ntaba na village where they under new subdivision for that side for Donga Mantum and for Northwest Cameroon. Rain where don't fall for that side, it don't bring disorder. People they never travel because the route is over Wowo. Although the people them for Donga Mantum division, there is also thank government for Cameroon as it don't send 3 contractors them for that side for dig their route, national route number 11, where they come up from Bamki Kaigori for Mr. subdivision. But this one now they cut short where all man it use them for now. They know they pass through, but I mean that they pass through Bafosam, Fombot, Fomban, and go reach for Magba before you go reach for Ntaba. Me we see now wait till it happen for that side. This one now camion where don't fall. Up on the road where it don't over spoil to camion again, it can't fall for this place. We plan. Now camion where they carry plan them for that side for Donga Mantum division, they bring them for Bafosam. Now in this, it don't carry me here. It put some people there for show match. Some people in their way, they not go for Magba. Let this driver where they talk so. He said so this camion don't come for here. And it don't make me on small motor, enough pass again. Same mud is over plenty. Same mud is over plenty for road. Mud is over plenty where small motor, you know, go succeed for pass. So they talk so they be done back in Gomna. Say this road where they come up for Fumban. Come for Magba before reach from Ntaba, reach for Ndu subdivision. Say na road where if they be concentrate for fix them. If for the hell plenty people them for the pass for that side. But only mud where they for this place. Only mud where they here. They push motor and push them. You pay motor for Bavosam for going from Campbell 20,000. You can't move all your energy again for push motor. Now plan than that. They say eucalyptus tree them for that side for Donga Mantum now. It don't deal. Now they will plan the command now because operator them they fear for go for big bush or for black bush for go cut tree me for on top person. So they decide now for come now for sideway now you yes now sideway for side for Donga Mantum division because that one is not kill person. Countryman leave am. Yes. Me we ask am for this driver. Countryman, your name now wait and you go for side. Wait don't block you. Me we hear.
Na tamfu garba for Ntaba. Random for na 1 day for we place. Na number 2 day this. See how we to them pack. Rudon sport for Ntaba. Na tamfu garba the top. Rudon sport. Sute camion can today he fall. Na it has sleep. We will not get road for pass with small motor. Na my own small motor this. It there for back. How we go to manage? How we go to manage? Now it is. Now people this now gather them now and they try. We know they. I be one go Magba. We know they for go Magba. How I stand so. Let me say I get for turn back. Let me talk, pa. I beg you. Yeah, General. MOKO talk. Na tampu garba. They talk. Na mamutu this. How go money go Magba. Camion don't fall. See how we block route. Look am. Now you that. How go money pass? How go Magwa? How? Now here the beg me you help just show am. Make people see am. Now my job now for drive for loot. Do subdivision. Ntaba.
Organized community work too for that side. Me drive and then when they run the road too, me they find a 1 day or 2 day where they not go walk, and then fix 2 road, post stone them for play where they go can't pass with motor. Them na all thing where they go under the corner government. Them na all thing where they go under the way na government. Me we say we organize community work for the road. Time for Galba. When I try to for post stone them for that road now, make community work, and then motor go can't pass. Well, when I saw the way say with the wet government, now another camion that he don't carry again, now that when a firewood pole. Now that firewood pole when I went with the deny say we no one catch him again for Cameroon. Then they also use them. When they go cut and so campaign and for down tomorrow when I say this so don't fall. Leave on you, countryman. Yes, leave on. Now we go she don't quiet. Yesterday we been Monday. What happened for that side for Babylon village under Akko subdivision? I for LTM a day for that side where it will tell we what will happen, where it cause panic for side for Akko subdivision. Those who they will get for go for Abonshe, they no go. Those who they will get for go for Nkambe, they no go. Those who they will get for go Miseje, they no go because of this incident will happen. Countryman, how it happened for site for Babylon village for Akko subdivision? March fire, me will hear you.
Voilà. Yes, country people, we there for inside Babylon village for inside Akko subdivision. And wait it happen. Today na Monday, where one of the economic operators them, where na a timber operator by profession, he don't come out, he goes so a timber, then he come back, he meet up the Amber boys, or they call them say separatist fighters them, and where they holy for road, they tell you say according to them, they're not supposed to work for Monday. And wait it happen next. They burn the bike, when the bike this way, when I see them, they burn the bike to ashes. And where it don't cause circulation for inside Akko Nkambe be a problem because of the burning of this bike. So as we talk, the countryman will be affected. He said he no one show his face because of the fear. But what we return and say, now wait till this will happen for inside Babylon village for Akko subdivision, where they don't just seize this bike, they burn them. And we, as I talked earlier, they talk say according to them, they no one for see movement or they no one for see any bike or even motor on Monday, where it don't cause a serious problem for the community. The villagers them they not be happy with this situation because we get farmers them for here, we get other business people them for here where they're supposed to move, but because of this kind of act, it don't make away the village, it be dry because all man if you ever come out, all man if you ever come out. This one I Trans-Saharan road where they lead in Kambe and Akko and right to Abonshe where it enter for Nigeria. So it don't create a lot of panic for inside Babylon village for Akko subdivision. Me Abindo Katadate, where are the report for the LTM television news live on the scene for inside Babylon village here.
For those where they still confused and they talk for the Wimbum community, where they there for side for Douala, they still there for confusion. Me we make an army be clear for those way they know the year 12, they go year 13. The Kaidai way it get for happen for inside Douala for side for Bonanjo, where they come make na Kaidai for Mami, Mbonkor Anna, Ngo. Mbonkor Anna go na ikaidai na mami for Commandant Chuye Mbonkor where could it happen for number 19 day for number 4 month 2024. They say they so it get for stand now for 11 o'clock and na church people them they get for make prayer. Dance group them go they don't talk say they get for be for that place. Njo for Bonaberi, he get for camp for the can dance. Njo for Douala town, he get for dance. Kishe for Nkakuda, that means Kishe for Nkambe, he get for can dance. And then they get again Manta, yes, Manta dance for Nkambe where he did for Bonaberi, he get for dance. And then Kup for Nkakuda, he get for dance. So if another dance it come, me jo come, but if na say it no get space, place where they should don't, me they animate because they know they deny me dance it no come. All the dance will be available for come, it will come. But the main dance them they way Now them could first start, and the occasion it could start for 11 a.m. for that number 19 day, and it could finish now for 6 p.m. on the dot. Me man not come saying occasion for night. No. Now daytime 11 o'clock it start, and then it finish for 6 p.m. So if you want come after 6 p.m., no way for you. Chop a day, mimbo day, but now this other way they don't cancel them. When you see say don't enter your body, come out, take your taxi, you go back for your house. No, they mean for the after you cause trouble, because trouble not come before person. Now you know, so kind big people in the good day, and they don't need foresee person where they misbehave for inside country people. Yes. So when I don't hear how the matter again for happen. Now we there for calling, and now here where confusion to ever be, because when I know one year thing where we need them. What we need them from when I for upside and say we need your talk. We need talk where you get for talker, because if you help for build country, but not bring the talk for inside disorder. Yes, not bring the talk for inside disorder. When you want call this program, off the volume for your TV. Me now you talk on phone. Yes, because when you talk television, you talk for your corner, it distract you. You not gonna know again till where you go for talk. When I want talk hello, you go wait again. You talk hello, after hello still talk again for television. Now you the confused, not me, and a disgrace for you. So when you want call this program, if you there with your family, come out inside room. You talk for phone, I answer you for phone. You come back and sit down for your very chair. If you there for inside bar or from boat house, come out go far, and then you talk, you come back and sit down. We know 1 year again, person they call, and then volume for TV they talk, and then I will give you name. Yes, you need not say me that is baptized when I would name, because he don't stay. But today I don't chop okra with my mop the slice. Any man where go make small mistake today, he want sleep today, go hear how your skin is hot. We not feel the fumble like picking for nursery school. It not be normal. And we will mature people. They talk thing now. When I say no, now go do when I hunting. Yes. Now the question is, when you see person for road, no mind at the person for head way carry him. Inside the head, because you feel carry head so by way inside the head, now different in the inside. You see him? We don't just talk something now, but person where they call now, if they do a total different thing. And then when I will talk, say all man know they the same. Till where we don't just talk now before one start program, when I say first caller, it don't the fumble. Will not be normal. So I go dash when I coach today. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, a better person this way the reason, and he hate it work. Well, your name and the salary cause sir. No, you know now you will talk. No, me I no go talk me again.
Yes, now me when person make put in na me go call na call you.
Okay.
Thank you, Baba.
Yes, we hear you, countryman. Okay, you don't talk say any man will make mistake now. Now you say go come. Say me I not talk no nothing for person. Hello? We salute those who are there for that side for Mora. We greet all man for Adamawa. We salute all man for side for Betoa. We greet those who are there for side for Kribi, where they don't shoot on now for front that television. For follow those where they call the program and where they respect the program. Country people. Yes. Not be na me, I go coach when I don't get person lawyer. Lawyer don't come. They don't be talking so you want call the program, come up for corner television, you go carry your skin, turn up for corner television for call. It don't make no sense. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, countryman, your own name and the side where you the call, sir.
Yes, I the call for dollar na Japanese, MOKO.
Yes. What you don't bring up for today as today with hear you?
Yes, I the told for this Palaba they crisis. Even me, I know they are not the support but people me I dey for village, that only them I go respect them, but when they don't burn by how they don't burn and so now you could lose, or if they kill you now you could lose. Me I prefer for take that one day I remain here for house.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. You don't talk.
No man know they will come by and get them back, or if you not your life
Okay, we don't hear on talk. Thank you, countryman.
Yes.
Yes, he don't talk it on. Me, you talk it on too. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
You feel come up for corner television, use your sense. Hello, countryman. Now the television, they disturb you. It don't confuse you totally. Hello?
Hello?
Now another person is.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, this Cameroon don't pass me. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, MOKO.
Yes, I like those way they raise in this countryman. Yeah, on them now, how you recover outside?
My name is Philip. I call for Boya.
Correct. People never Boya, they ever follow instruction. So what to bring you for today as today, countryman?
Yes, countryman. Continue with the thing we last time. Go extend our position and make it help people talk for government. I don't think last week. I don't go for hospital, but then hospital. I did for hospital, they bring me people, they say doctor care, 5,000, one, health care, 3,000. I asked them, I don't know if it's a private hospital or a government hospital. They say no, that's where they for now. You pay, now you pay doctor, you pay nurse, buy make for government hospital. Yes.
How do you hear you?
That's what you for government hospital now.
Okay, thank you. Another call again, 650608498. Me when I talk. So, yes, technician they work on top. It could slow the volume because when they over talk with power. Hello? Hello? Call, I don't go. When you want call, make sure say this so you off the volume for your TV. Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, MOKO.
Yeah, how about you?
I dey fine. Now share Roger for Yaounde.
Share Roger for Yaounde for which place?
For Carrefour, you man.
Yes. What you don't believe for today as today?
The team where them own that bike.
Yes.
You know, say this thing then so now, you know, find the MOKO. When you see person go boys or go find thing where you are picking the job, when I do so, you know, find. They believe for tell you say as you do so, we know say the worker for find money, but not do this time again. That's all my own one name for talk, General MOKO.
Thank you, countryman.
Yeah.
Yes. Another person again may come. We salute all the title holder then they don't shit on now for front television for say me they see wait away it happen for Cameroon. 650608498 and then 695539094. What you get for talk? Now we get for year on talk. No when that time with the program don't finish before you come now. Say General, you know say I be one call after I can be say that one time we don't catch you. Yes. We salute all man for side for Soza and we salute to those who they did for Babaju. We don't forget those for that side for Santa and those for that side for Buddha. Yes. All them they did for corner television for that side. Hello? Hello? We take another person. Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, who they call the person didn't have a which part for Cameroon?
Gifted boy, call from Limbe.
Okay, we'll hear you.
Yeah, I want to be about that bike man, but that man is on the bike so.
Yes.
You know, say now Cameroon don't spoil. And two elephants they find that grass is suffer. So we civilians then we need to say what saying. For be at the same time, because if you die, that you lost in your family lost. You get me?
I hear you, countryman. Hey. Now we call a man from Konsamba? Yeah, how from Konsamba no countryman?
Konsamba don't change small. Only enjoyment from Konsamba now for new community bill and be fine.
Okay. So, what do you get for talk?
No, I want to talk concerning. No, I want to talk we concern the deep power for Cameroon.
Yes.
For Cameroon now we did a course because time for campaign. Many of them they can't fulfill mommy and papa them. So for Cameroon now we also are away with the harvester. For them that road no for them the B road. Me mommy and papa them stop for the day 100, 1,000 and ride for many of them. From there now head them for me or go walk now. They will make effort for fixed roads. That you have to talk that.
Thank you, countryman. Now today man for that side for Konsamba. We he don't blow you on talk for Today House. We salute all man for side for Sancho. We salute all man for Chang. We greet all man for side for Melon and those who they did for side for Fumbot. We not forget Mr. Tom for Fumbot. Hello? Hello? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, General Moko.
How are you now, countryman?
No, they find no General Moko. Not saying with the call from Chang.
Yes, how about Chang today?
No, fine, General Moko.
Yes, we hear you.
Yes, General Moko. My contribution towards my brother we a bonny bite for that side. So
for Ako?
I think say yes. So as she say it be a type, it be very painful because they used to talk say when two elephants fight na grass it is suffer. So I don't say big time for we the grass will be wise too. For get more sense. But the way if they talk say today, he did not come out, my brother who sacrifice the one day because no man is not good for your back time where the consequences don't follow you. Thank you so much, General Moko.
Thank you. We salute all man for side for Manjo. We did follow the program and those who they did for side for Bangem, for Loom, for Nyasoso, and the other one then for my 20. Hello? We did greet to those who they did for side for Nguti and we did salute all man for Ekondo Titi. We did salute those who they did for inside Mundema. We not forget we brother them where they did for that side for Edina. Yes, 65060848. Now time this way you get for talk. Hello, sir.
Yes, General Moko.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, that's my Mojo now.
Huh?
That's my Mojo Limbe.
Oh, for Limbe?
Yes, for Dambish.
Yes, how about Limbe, countryman?
Well, now let's tomorrow one start. Now the film.
Well, Asha, what to bring you for Today House today, no, countryman?
Well, today bring you for Today House. That back with the Bonham and then with Aba Road.
Yes.
You know that you worry for Cameroon and say, okay, good government, but they know what make us say, more give money to small road way. If you work and help people.
Yes.
So, our government has said, when you go there, you must bring money, can't give them, they won't be road, and after why you say contract to rotate money go. If they made the country, we will get money to tar road.
Yes.
Village. When the help government, if you find no.
If you find no, countryman.
Then now you go take the money, now they put it in the women continue take money, give me the please your road to go their own side. They take the money when they contract to road can go. So now they think that way, they need to develop Cameroon.
Okay, we don't hear you, countryman. This man don't talk some talk will be important, eh? Important talk. I think that's why they talk to me when they talk and when you want to talk. Calculate talk where you want to talk. We go help some man. This talk don't help plenty people them. Hello?
Hello, General.
How you there, no countryman?
No countryman there. How will I stay with that?
Now only God they protect we. You know say you're on the over strong. Cold today and the rest hungry and the rest. So you're on the strong. No man as they don't get the name say capital. So who they talk the person there for side?
The one that Mr. Ejimo over there. The only by me that boy.
Yeah, the only by me. Oh, the man Edimo. So what you never tell we, Mr. Edimo?
Yeah, me my brother. I don't see that man in Bible the wrong one. So that thing don't talk even absolutely.
Well, it's not easy for that side, eh?
You know, I have to say why countryman not better the rest of she don't have a Monday day. Why you give take back for Monday day beginning to them? If you give her she don't money not the feeding not to Ramoko.
Now one thing to that.
My money not the finish.
Oh.
Okay, on the house more wonder why you want to put them inside.
Thank you. The only Bamina boy waiting for that side for Idia. Yes. All them yin and that them now those who they enjoy for that side. When you see Idia, when people they pass for road, they check in all Idia that enter for inside quarter. Yes, before you could know Idia fine. And they road them for that side, they don't scatter. Since 19 where I don't know whether it is so they know the taram on how. Some big bridge is there for down there for to go for side for council for Idia one. They cross now on top plank. I dey ask question whether it is so. Even mail they can't cross now. They go around. Wait, no make no sense. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
How for you know, sir?
I did find on me for Baribo.
Yeah, for Batibo, yes. I hear say peace don't come for Batibo now.
Papa na so we ban so people don't so far.
Well, now we don't know it's suffer, no? Yes. We hear say story the enter we say there's so people them way they come out for Baminda for go for side for Bali, Nyonga. Yes, say some people them be fear say this road not the pass and say road no go pass. We know they understand whether it is on some tree down for block road or now wait it don't happen or road don't cut or man not understand. Yes, this Cameroon they so man they just shit down, just blow it on top. Now so people they fall. And I also tell you when I say this so Palava social media for Cameroon. Why man they use Facebook and this thing for finding money, but would use them for make them create panic for country. Hello?
Hello, Coachman.
How you doing now?
I'm really fine. How are you?
Ah, now God is there for up.
Coachman, how will I coach?
Coach there no, coach there where the chop now. He don't chop yesterday, Mbongo chobi, and today go chop this one where they can say and waiting. Yeah, go chop fufu corn. And jama tomorrow, he go chop ndole with right plenty. So na chop them that way. The one make a me if they no see this so it didn't for Cameroon.
I hope they will very fine.
No, nothing we don't talk yesterday. We don't talk yesterday. Say hey they call na player then wait they know we can't fear foot. I think we don't talk. So next match we dey play. Now that time we will start to know whether bricklayer they don't start the foundation fine. And they go how because we need to see them. See before you talk. Another person there again. Hey. Message they come and chase it sometime. Message don't enter for here Frampek. I remember say sometime na message way if you make a man say man enjoy. But na message way you know the yes. We still wait message way if you make a man go she don't for some place too it be the person but no man no send that kind of message now. Yes. Man where the time for send with some message we make we will smile now. Adjutant chef Gerard, yes, adjutant chef Gerard, we there for that side for Ebama, yes, Ngoso. Where the time for tell we say this so Mulabade. Say Mulabade. Hello? Hello, countryman. You know be ready. Good morning. How are you no countryman?
No, I'm fine.
Who did talk the person there for outside?
John, the call for Old Town for Baminda.
Oh, this countryman. Who said you be there, no countryman?
I know you well. I don't get as small.
Well, Asha. If you don't come, what you don't bring, what you get for talk for we now?
I want to talk about that road for Taba side.
Yes.
So we try to make government, make them not the wait time when before make them walk road. Make them keep program of people them for country, say, for that side, say, even them for community work. They get the assistance. They get the hell of a school. All kind of work in them. They go dig the road. They say for dry. See the way go fine. The level and fine. But when around that kind of work already saying, I think they water the road. If they don't get the hell for work for dry season, that don't have no problem. So the big government, they assist that piece of that road for dry season. People already see it. Because they go for work now, they will just point at the road the more. So the big government, they hell like that people that will say, all we gonna all go the pass.
Thank you, countryman.
All good people them.
Yes, thank you. You don't talk better talk. Yes. You don't talk better talk. Nothing that what they tell when I say some people and they way when they talk so. That talk it can. Live and countryman. Yes, live on. We salute to the population for that side for Ebama. Yes, Ebama go so for block 8 where they watch their program with the salute. All the Bamili community. And we know they forget to for salute to Madam Adjutant Chef Gerard and the family where they watch their program now. For that side, with the great to Bali. Yes, Bali community where they did for that side. Even now they can say Ismail the Dubai. He says it's also she done for corner television for the office for watch their program. We they salute all man. We did for side for Bonaviri. We know they forget those for side for Jotin. Yes, Jotin people them with the salute man where they come and say Kinko, yes, Kinko Gideon where they watch the program for that side for NJANGI and for side for Douala. We dey greet all the Jotin community where they try way for Bida Palace. Yes, they go meet up for Douala. For Sia, they go make Bida Palace to a shine. We salute MOKO community where they dey for inside Yaoundé and for side for Douala. We salute to Tanto Tanda where they watch the program. We salute to Nsok community. We know they forget person where they call Lambert Kiven where they watch the program for that side for Monte Chapelle Obili. We salute to the mayor. Yes, or the deputy mayor for side for Jakiri. Yes, he watch the program too. He know the miss Sam. We greet all the council of them for for Kombo Council, and we salute all man for side phone call. We not forget too the mayor for side phone call and the council of them too. Where they try to for bring peace for that side. Whether they go organize to their own labor cup man, you know. But with the place if it be day, if we can say the youth them too, they for come together. We salute to all those where they there for Market Square phone call now and for last in Market Square. We not forget too man where they come say Mr. Yes now Colonel where he said they don't get a new been there place for that side drinking spot for side for called Market Square. And we salute the commander for brigade phone call, and then the Dio for Noni, he know they miss their program. We salute to the Dio for that side for Oko, he did on board. Dr. Maji, yes, Tanko, he did for that side for St. Cantes. We did great to Dr. Malam Saido, he did watch the program for Denye Poto. We salute all man for kilometers, saying we greet all man for side for Kayabasi. We salute Nken Soto and Mami Miriam, Mr. Oliver. We salute all them all, and Nyasko. All them that watch the program for that side for Kayabasi. We greet all man for that side for Photo Godin and people them for kilometers saying Rai and those who they there for Bakmbopi. We salute to Mr. Edimos. We there for that side for Ancien Abattoir. Say the program don't finish with the time Mr. Francois Naisesef a be mash button today. Say way he concentrate for Facebook page and then me. They call me na General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where it is sweep a country with a broom, so that me dirty in order for inside Cameroon. Barka de Salah for all Muslim brothers and sisters, where they're going to celebrate tomorrow. Barka de Salah for Alaji, yes, Alaji Baba, for Kumbo, where they watch the program now. We salute all Alaji them, Imam for that side, for northern part for Cameroon and for Garwa. So, countryman, me we try way for go look whether man go chop na pop and bizo or na wait you because he know the worker. Francois will go for that side because if we finish that means say we don't die hungry for Yaoundé. We don't go. Bye bye.